Endpoint security has become one of the most critical layers of modern cybersecurity. Today's attackers often target endpoints first, laptops, servers, and user devices, to gain initial access into an organization. CrowdStrike Falcon is designed to stop these threats in real time using advanced behavioral detection, cloud intelligence, and powerful prevention capabilities. In this course, you'll gain practical, hands-on experience with CrowdStrike Falcon Endpoint security and learn how it's used to protect endpoints in real-world environments. You'll learn how to deploy Falcon sensors across different operating systems. We'll also cover key security capabilities such as prevention policies, real-time response, host containment, device control, and firewall management to help you effectively protect and manage endpoints using CrowdStrike Falcon. At Data Illicit, we help organizations strengthen their endpoint security using CrowdStrike Falcon. Our team includes certified CrowdStrike experts who work daily with real enterprise environments, and this course is built directly from that experience. This course is designed for IT professionals, cybersecurity professionals, system administrators, and anyone interested in advancing their knowledge of EDR tools and securing endpoints with CrowdStrike Falcon. If you're ready to strengthen your endpoint defense skills with CrowdStrike Falcon, enroll now, and let's get started.